Imagine sending money anywhere in the world and getting paid for it. Sounds unreal, right? Well, I'm not going to just be talking about it. I want to show you at this platform that this is part of a ongoing series of passive income projects. So if you're into crypto, meme coins, or just making money online, then you definitely want to subscribe and follow because you don't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's get into it.
This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Crypto is risky. Do your own research.
This platform is GCRIG, and as you can see, they have quite the numbers to boast about. So as you can see, move capital across borders at the speed of business. They have their numbers right here, over $1 billion in transactions, volumes processed. 95% of our transfers are instant, 10,000 transactions a day, and 15% saved. If we go to send money here and see seamless and secure internet money transfers, move money without borders. This is their beautiful dashboard. They've been in business for 30 years. Fast transactions, transparent fees, and security. If we go to their services, you can see over 1 million people love us. They have all sorts of 5-star reviews, flexible payments, limited orders, this FX risk management. They also have a great network, the CRB network, the Cash Recycle Body Network, 500 verified nodes, 50 markets connected, 24/7 route monitors, as well as 5,000 long-term network goal, a verified cross-border liquidity ecosystem. So as you can see, we already went over those numbers. They have all sorts of blog spheres. Their nodes right here: Mumbai, Singapore, Sydney, New York. Or look at this, over 163,000 followers. This is a conference that they had not too long ago. They were at the Eurotech booth where they were rocking it, showing everything what they're doing. Here you can see they already have 2,000 followers on X with their, and they've been around since 2012. So quite a bit on X. If you go to this, this is a PR article, how CGRIG is transforming the international finance through innovation. A great little article by the London Daily. And then this is just another post from the London Daily, how CGRIG, it's transforming international finance through innovation. This is their blog post on their website that they posted on X. So let's actually get into the platform and show you how it works. All right, so this is their dashboard here. And as you can see, we have 1125 on wallet balance. We have a 125 on our spot, and our funding balance is at 1,000. We're gonna go over to transfers, check out add cash, swap wallet, my amounts. I'm gonna go ahead and add 125 to the funding wallet. Yeah, 125 to the funding wallet. Proceed to swap. Do you see how quickly that was on swapping? It was like instant. Instantly was successful. Let's go to dashboard. There we go. Wallet balance. Spot balance is 0. We'll go ahead and cash out. USDT. All right, let's update our account here. So I did go with TRC20 or Tron network because it is the lowest in fees. We have, let's see, edit. This is the wallet. Let's go ahead and double check this. That looks right. PVT. Yep. Okay. Update. And that's how easy it is to update a wallet. I just put in my new wallet there and put it and saved it, and it was updated pretty much instantly. And let's go to USDT again. The amount. Yep. 113. Oh, there's a fee. Got it. I see. So only $11. Want to withdraw? I think it's going. There we go. 1,113 withdraw. This is the transaction, and it will be in my history. And there we go. 1113. Charge $11. Pending. Still pending. This is the profit I made. Oh, completed. There we go. And successful. Boom. $1,113. So there you have it. We completed the transaction and withdrew $1,113. I've included a link in the description, so be sure to check that out. And I encourage you to check out the different packages and plots. And if you have any questions or concerns, ask them in the comments down below. And remember to like this video and subscribe for the next update. I'll see you guys on the next one.